Hi everyone. Today we're going to study how to simplify complex fractions. At first, let us define what complex fraction is. A complex fraction is a fraction with fraction in the numerator or in the denominator or both. Examples are 2/3 over 5, 6 over the fraction 7 over 10, and the last example, 1/2 over 4/5. Now, let us simplify complex fractions. At first, let us understand the general form, and that is A over B. That there is a fraction in the A, or B can be a fraction, or both are fractions. Please note also that fraction denotes division. So the A over B can be written as A divided by B. Now let us see some examples. Let us consider the first example, 2/3 over 5. So we can write this 2/3 over 5 into 2 over 3 divided by 5. Next, the number 5, the whole number, can be written as a fraction with denominator of 1. Then we follow our rule. We're going to invert the divisor. The 5 over 1 becomes 1 over 5. Then we proceed to our multiplication. So 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 5 is 15. So 2 over 15 is our final answer. Let's have the second example. 1/2 over 4/5. Let us write this again into 1/2 divided by 4/5. So the 4/5 is now inverted into 5 over 4. And then we will proceed to multiplication. So 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 4 is 8. 5 over 8 is our final answer. Let us have one challenging question. This 1/3 minus 2 over 7 all over 1/4 plus 2/3. Our idea is the whole numerator can be written as one group here, then divided by everything in the denominator is also placed as another group. And then we have two big groups here that we can simplify one by one. So for the first group, I'm going to use the crisscross method to solve this. So this is 1 multiplied by 7 gives me 7. And then 3 multiplied by 2 gives 6. Of course, the sign is subtraction. So this is 7 minus 6. And then 3 times 7 is 21. Then divided by, for the second group, we also use the crisscross method. 1 times 3 is 3. 4 times 2 is 8. So this is addition. So I put the plus sign. Then 4 times 3 is 12. Then let us simplify. The 7 minus 6 is now 1 over 21. We just copy that one. We just copy the 21. Then 3 plus 8 is 11. We copy the 12 down here. So now our problem is now a proper fraction divided by another proper fraction. So we're going to invert our divisor. 12 comes up, 11 comes down. The operation becomes multiplication. Then we'll just multiply and we will get our final answer. So 1 times 12 is 12. 21 times 11 is 231. So 12 over 231 is our final answer. Let's have our last example for this video. So there is a whole number 2 up here, and at the bottom it's like a complexity of fractions. So when we have a problem like this, what we will do is we're going to start the simplification from the bottom going up. So this is 3 minus 1/2. First, we're going to convert the whole number into equivalent fraction. So the whole number 3, we're going to change into equivalent fraction. The rule is here. We multiply that whole number to the denominator of the other fraction and use as numerator. So this is 3 times 2 is 6, and we use the same denominator 2. So 6 over 2, that is the equivalent fraction for the whole number 3, and then minus the same 1/2 is here. So we can see the 6 over 2, if we simplify this, it will come back to that whole number 3. Now let us simplify this part. The 6 over 2 minus 1/2, we can write it to be 5 over 2. Now we're going to simplify this 2 up here is a whole number, at the bottom is a fraction. And we can write it like this. The whole number 2 multiplied by, so this is division, the 5 over 2, it flips up, the denominator 2 comes up as numerator, divided by 5, or 2 over 5. So we can multiply now the 2 and the 2, it gives us 4 over 5. So we have now here 1, the whole number 1, plus the proper fraction 4 over 5. Now we're going to consider this whole number 1, make it another equivalent fraction. So I'm going to multiply this 1 into this 5. My answer is 5, and I'll write it here. And then using the same denominator 5, I copied here. So you see, 5 over 5 is the same with that whole number 1. So we can simplify this addition of fraction here. 5 over 5 plus 4 over 5, we will get 9 over 5. Next is, we're going to flip the 9 over 5 into 5 over 9. And we have this multiplication. So 2 times 5 gives us now the final answer, 10 over 9. Or the mixed fraction 1 and 1 over 9. Thank you for watching. Watch out for more math videos. Please comment, subscribe, like, and share this video. See you next time.